Financial freedom. It's a concept that resonates deeply with many of us. It's a dream for many, to live life on your own terms, without worrying about money. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your financial needs are met, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. I was once stuck in a 9-to-5 grind, feeling financially lost. The daily routine felt like a never-ending cycle, and I couldn't see a way out. Then, I discovered the path to financial independence. It was like a light bulb went off in my head, illuminating a new way of thinking about money and life. It wasn't about luck. It was about strategy and a shift in mindset. I started by educating myself, reading books, and learning from those who had already achieved what I aspired to. My journey started with a wake-up call. I realized that if I wanted to change my financial situation, I had to take action. I was 24, living with my parents, and had only $2.26 in my bank account. It was a humbling moment that made me confront my financial reality. That's when I realized I needed a change. I had to take control of my finances and create a plan to achieve my goals. I set an ambitious goal to reach financial independence in 5 years. It was a bold target, but I knew that with determination and hard work, it was possible. It sounded crazy, but I was determined. Through focused saving, smart investing, and making informed financial decisions, I began to see progress. And hustling to increase my income, I took on multiple jobs and side hustles, each one bringing me closer to my goal. I achieved my goal in 5 years. The feeling of reaching financial independence was indescribable. It was a testament to the power of perseverance and strategic planning. Now, I'm passionate about sharing the strategies that transformed my life. I want to help others achieve the same freedom and security that I now enjoy. You can achieve financial freedom too. It's not just a distant dream. It's a tangible goal that you can work towards with the right approach. It's about taking control of your finances and designing the life you desire. By setting clear goals, creating a budget, and making smart investments, you can pave the way to financial independence. Let's embark on this journey together. With the right mindset and strategies, we can all achieve the financial freedom we dream of. Join me, and let's make it happen. Saving is the cornerstone of financial freedom. It's the foundation upon which you can build a secure and prosperous future. It's not about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices with your money. By being mindful of your spending, you can allocate funds to what truly matters. Start by analyzing your spending habits. Take a close look at where your money goes each month. Identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your happiness. Maybe it's those unused subscriptions or dining out less frequently. Think about it. That daily latte could be an investment in your future. Small sacrifices today can lead to big rewards tomorrow. Small changes add up over time. Just like a plant grows with consistent care, your savings will flourish with regular contributions. Set a savings goal that excites you. Whether it's a vacation, a new gadget, or a safety net, having a clear target keeps you motivated. It could be a down payment on your dream home or an early retirement. Imagine the freedom and peace of mind that comes with financial security. Visualize your goal to stay motivated. Create a vision board or keep reminders of your financial dreams where you can see them daily. This will keep you focused and inspired on your journey to financial freedom. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's a crucial step toward financial freedom. Your money should work as hard as you do. Start by exploring different investment options. Index funds, for example, are a great way to passively grow your wealth. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Seek advice from a financial advisor if needed. They can help you create a personalized investment strategy. Diversifying your income is key to achieving financial freedom faster. Explore side hustles that align with your skills and passions. The internet offers endless opportunities, from freelance writing to online courses. Turn your hobbies into income-generating ventures. Consider passive income streams like renting out a spare room or creating digital products. Multiple income streams provide financial security and accelerate your journey to freedom. Shifting your money mindset. Financial freedom starts with your mindset. Shift from a scarcity mentality to one of abundance and possibility. Believe in your ability to create wealth and attract financial opportunities. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations. Cultivate gratitude for what you have while striving for more. A positive mindset attracts positive financial outcomes. Remember, you are capable of achieving financial freedom. Setting sail with goals. Setting clear financial goals is like plotting your course on a map. It gives you direction and keeps you motivated. Start with your big picture goals. What do you want to achieve with financial freedom? Then break it down into smaller, actionable steps. Use tools like spreadsheets or apps to track your progress. Celebrate milestones along the way. Remember, your goals can evolve over time. Stay flexible and adjust as needed. Visualizing your financial success. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your financial goals. Create a vision board with images that represent your desired financial future. Imagine yourself living that life. The freedom, the security, the possibilities. Visualize your success daily. This practice helps you stay focused and attracts opportunities that align with your vision. The power of automation. Automate your finances to make saving and investing effortless. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. Use budgeting apps to track your spending and identify areas for improvement. Automation removes the emotional aspect of money management and keeps you on track towards your goals. It's like having a personal finance assistant working for you 24/7. Embracing the journey. The path to financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the ups and downs and learn from your experiences. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek guidance from mentors. Connect with others on the same path. Their support can be invaluable. Remember, financial freedom is about designing a life you love, so enjoy the journey. Claim your financial freedom. Imagine a life where you are no longer bound by financial constraints, where you can pursue your passions and live on your own terms. Financial freedom is within your reach. It's not just a distant dream, but a tangible reality that you can achieve with the right mindset and strategies. It starts with a decision to take control of your finances and design your ideal life. Begin by assessing your current financial situation and setting realistic, achievable goals. Embrace the strategies outlined in this essay. Save diligently, invest wisely, diversify your income, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities. Building multiple streams of income can provide a safety net and accelerate your journey to financial independence. Cultivate an abundance mindset. Set clear goals, visualize your success, and automate your finances. Automation can help you stay disciplined and ensure that you are consistently working towards your financial objectives without having to think about it every day. Remember, this is your journey. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning. Each step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Attend seminars, read books, and seek advice from financial experts to keep yourself informed and motivated. Now go out there and claim the financial freedom you deserve. The path may not always be easy, but the rewards are worth every effort. Live the life you've always dreamed of, free from financial worries.